Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about binomial distribution. The formula for binomial distribution is P of capital X is equal to small x equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x, and the mean equal to NP, variation equal to NPQ. So these are the formulas for binomial distribution. Let us see the problem. Compute P of capital X is equal to K for the binomial distribution capital B of n comma P, where the first one, the values are given n equal to 6, P equal to 1 by 3, K equal to 3, and given it's a binomial distribution. So we have to find P of X is equal to K. So in the first problem it is given K value 3. So we have to find P of X is equal to 3. Here P value is given 1 by 3. Therefore Q equal to 1 minus P. So if P is the probability of success, then Q is the probability of failure. Always the total probability is 1. That is P plus Q equal to 1. So that is why we use Q equal to 1 minus P. So if any one value is given, we can find the other value easily using this result, Q equal to 1 minus P. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. Now using binomial distribution, the formula is P of capital X is equal to small x, that is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. Here we have to calculate P of X is equal to 3. Substitute the values. N value 6, C, X value 3. So 6C3, P value 1 by 3 whole power X value 3. Q is 2 by 3 whole power n minus x. That is 6 minus 3. And we know that 6C3 reduce 6 3 times divided by 1 into 2 into 3. So 6 reduced 3 times means 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. This is the expansion of combination. Into 1 by 3 cube into 2 by 3 whole power 3. And this 6 and 2 into 3 get cancelled. Just to calculate the remaining. 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 2 cube is 8, 20 into 8, 160. And denominator we have 3 cube into 3 cube. That is 27 into 27, which is equal to 729. So the answer is 160 divided by 729. Second sum, given values are n equal to 10, p equal to 1 by 5 and k equal to 4. So same procedure, p value given, so we can find q value using the result q equal to 1 minus p. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5. That is equal to 4 by 5. Now using binomial distribution, we use the formula P of capital X is equal to small x, that is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So here we have to find P of capital X is equal to 4. Here small x value 4. So in the problem it is given compute P of capital X is equal to K. The K value given 4. So that only we substitute here. So when we substitute k equal to 4, in the formula we have to take it as small x. So small x is 4. And we are given n value 10. So 10C4, p value 1 by 5 whole power small x 4 into q value 4 by 5 whole power n minus x, that is 10 minus 4. And here if we have whole power big numbers, then no need to simplify, we can stop the answer. Only if we have very small power numbers, we have to simplify. And we know that this is 10C4, reducing 10 4 times, we get 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 1 by 5 whole power 4 into 4 by 5 whole power 6. Here this 2 and 4 we can cancel with 8. And this 9 and 3 cancel 3 times. 3 into 7, 21. 21 into 10, 210. Into remaining these two brackets, we can keep it as it is. This is the answer. Similarly, next third problem, given n equal to 9, p equal to 1 by 2 and k equal to 7. P value is 1 by 2. Let us find q value. Q equal to 1 minus p. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Using binomial distribution, same formula, ncx p power x q power n minus x. Here k equal to 7 means we have to substitute here, that is capital X is equal to small x value 7. Now substitute the values n 9 c x value 7. So 9c 7 into p value half whole power x value 7 into q is 1 by 2 whole power n minus x, that is 9 minus 7. This 9c7 can be taken as 9c2 using the formula ncr equal to nc n minus r. That is 9c7 equal to 9c 9 minus 7, that is 2. So 9c2 means we can reduce easily. Just reduce 2 times only. So 9 into 8 divided by 1 into 2. Into remaining brackets half whole power 7 into half whole power 2. Cancel this 8 and 2 4 times. 4 into 9, 36. Into combine these two, half power 7, half power 2. We have to add the powers. 7 plus 2, 9. So half power 9, 36 into half whole power 9. This is the answer. Next problem, using binomial distribution, find the mean and variance of capital X for the following experiments. First one, a fair coin is tossed 100 times and capital X denote the number of heads. Given n equal to 100. A coin is tossed 100 times, so n value 100. And here p equal to probability of getting head. See the question, number of heads. So that only we have to take it as p. P equal to probability of getting head. That is equal to 1 by 2. And we know that q equal to 1 minus p. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. We have to find mean and variance. This is binomial distribution. So we know the formula mean equal to np. Just substitute the values, n 100 into p value 1 by 2. So that is equal to 50. Next variance formula npq. substitute the values n value 100 into p value 1 by 2 into q value 1 by 2. Simplify this, we get equal to 25. Similarly, another problem, a fair die is tossed 240 times and capital X denote the number of times that 4 appeared. So given n equal to 240, a die is tossed 240 times. So n value 240. Here p equal to probability of getting the number 4. See the question, given we have to find number of times that 4 appeared. So that only we have to take it as p equal to probability of getting 4. In a die there are 6 possibilities. So getting the number 4, the probability is 1 by 6. And now using the formula q equal to 1 minus p, we can find 1 minus 1 by 6 equal to 5 by 6. Now mean formula NP, substitute the values n 240 into p value 1 by 6. So this is equal to 40. Next variance formula NPQ, substitute the values n value 240 into p value 1 by 6 into q value 5 by 6. Simplify this, we get the answer 100 divided by 3. So this is the answer. Thanks for watching.